Hey there, nature enthusiasts! Today, we're going to talk about the fascinating world of peacocks. Did you know that peacocks are actually birds and not reptiles, as many people might think? They belong to the family Phasianidae, which includes other birds like pheasants and quails. One of the most striking features of peacocks is their beautiful plumage, especially the long, colorful tail feathers. These feathers are actually modified wing coverts, and they're called train or tail feathers. The male peacock, or peafowl, uses these feathers to attract a mate during the mating season. Peacocks are also known for their loud, distinctive calls, which they use to communicate with each other. They're omnivorous, meaning they eat both plants and animals, and they're native to South Asia. So there you have it, folks. Peacocks are not only visually stunning, but they're also fascinating creatures with unique adaptations and behaviors. If you enjoyed this little fact, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fun and informative videos. Thanks for watching.